have two atria and two ventricles. In the right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood. The left side of the heart receives oxygenated blood. There are four sources of deoxygenated blood. Number one, you have the superior vena cava, brings deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body above the heart. Then you have inferior vena cava, that brings deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body below the heart. Then you have the coronary sinus, C-O-R-O-N-A-R-Y. Coronary sinus brings deoxygenated blood from the coronary circulation. Please note that the coronary circulation is the heart circulation. The heart has its own blood supply. And that's found in number 27. Look at that. Okay. Number 27 is the coronary sinus. See that? See that? See 27 in there? You do or no? Only on the right side where you have these muscles here, these muscles are called pectinate muscles. Pectinate muscles, P-E-C-T-I-N-A-T-E, pectinate muscles. Okay? And they're only found in the right auricle, not the left. Okay, let's talk about the right atrium. In the right atrium, you have the pacemaker. The pacemaker is the SA node. SA node is 32. SA node is in the upper left-hand corner of the right atrium. 32. See 32, everyone? It's in the upper left-hand corner. You see? 32. Right here. Okay, that's the SA node. The AV node is in the floor of the right atrium. Okay, it would be here. Okay. It would be in this area here. No number there, no. You just know it's in the floor on the right-hand side. Also in the right atrium, you will have the fossa ovalis. Fossa ovalis is 33. That's in the interatrial septum. 33 is the fossa ovalis. Fossa ovalis is the remnant of the foramen ovale. Foramen ovale is open in utero, enabling blood to move from the right atrium through the foramen ovale into the left atrium. And then after the baby is born, the foramen ovale closes and becomes the fossa ovalis. Okay? All right. Now let's talk about what happens when the SA node stimulates the AV node. When the SA node stimulates the AV node, both atria will contract simultaneously, pumping blood through the AV valves into both ventricles. Okay? On the right side, the AV valve is the tricuspid valve. It has three cusps. Okay, let's look at it. Okay? These are the cusps. See these? Yeah, tricuspid on the right. Has three cusps. Attached to the cusp are heartstrings. Heartstrings are called chordae tendineae. Chordae tendineae. And the heartstrings are attached to papillary muscles which are located in the wall of the ventricles. Okay? So the papillary muscles are in the walls of the ventricles. So these are the papillary muscles here. See? muscle here in the wall of the ventricle where the string is attached to. Okay. Okay. All right. Now, let's follow the nerve impulse. The nerve impulse then flows down the interventricular septum. This is the interventricular septum. And in the interventricular septum, you will have the bundle of His. The bundle of His has two bundle branches, right and left. And these bundle branches will then move into the wall of the ventricles, both right and left. And in the walls of the ventricles, you will see Purkinje fibers. These are the Purkinje fibers. Purkinje fibers. Okay. All right. So when the Purkinje fibers are stimulated, both simultaneously. Now, when the ventricles contract, the papillary muscles contract. And what the papillary muscles do when they contract, they pull downwardly on the chordae tendineae. And that closes the valve tightly to prevent backlash. Okay. Now, let's follow the flow of the blood. All right. The blood, the right ventricle will enter this area here. This is called the conus arteriosus, C-O-N-U-S A-R-T-E-R-I-O-S-U-M. Conus arteriosum is this cone-shaped area here. See this? Cone-shaped area. Cone-shaped area. And the cone-shaped area will then lead to the pulmonary semilunar valve. This is the pulmonary semilunar valve. Pulmonary semilunar valve will then enter the pulmonary trunk. Pulmonary trunk divides into two arteries. Left and right pulmonary artery will then carry it to the right and left lung. In the lungs, the pulmonary arteries will then enter pulmonary capillaries, and the pulmonary capillaries will surround the alveoli and gas exchange occurs. Now, when the gas is oxygenated, the oxygenated blood is brought to the left atrium by way of four pulmonary veins. Four pulmonary veins, okay? Two from the left lung and two from the right lung, okay? Those will carry the oxygenated blood to the left atrium. Okay, all four will carry it to the left atrium. Okay, so now it's in the left atrium. This is the left side, okay? When the left atrium contracts, it pumps blood to the left ventricle by way of the bicuspid valve. Here you have two cusps, and you'll have two of these chordae tendineae, and they too are attached to papillary muscles. Another name for bicuspid is mitral, M-I-T-R-A-L, mitral valve. All right? Now, when the left ventricle contracts, it pumps blood through the aortic semilunar valve. You see that there? Back there? That's the aortic semilunar valve. Aortic semilunar valve. See the aortic semilunar valve there? See the aortic semilunar valve? Okay. And that then carries it to the ascending aorta. It's the ascending aorta. Ascending aorta is here. 13 is the ascending aorta. And that leads to the aortic arch. Leading from the aortic arch are three arteries. On the left side here, you will have the left subclavian. In the middle, you have the left common carotid. On the right, you will have the brachiocephalic. Okay, the brachiocephalic. And, okay, I'm looking at it the wrong way. Okay, this is the left